Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to pin multiple charts in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. With that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Snapchat. So I'm going to click on here to open my Snapchat. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your chat section right here. And you have it right there. Next thing you need to do is to simply select contact that you want to pin their chat. So I'm going to select this contact. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on their name. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear notifications and setting. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Unpin Conversation. So by the time you go back to the chat section, and you are going to see that you have pinned multiple chats in Snapchat. You can go on and pin as many as possible contacts, just like so. As simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.